Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure contacts are in iCloud so export is simple. Open iCloud. Com on your computer and sign in with the same Apple ID as your iPhone. This syncs the source and avoids duplicates. Once signed in, click Contacts, then select All and the gear icon to export vCard. You're exporting a VCF file because it preserves names, phones, and emails in one package. This makes conversion to a spreadsheet much cleaner and faster. Next, you convert that vCard into a CSV so Excel can read it. Use a trusted online converter or the Contacts app on a Mac. Import the VCF and then export as CSV. During conversion, map fields deliberately. First name, last name, phone, email, company. Once done, choose UTF-8 encoding to keep accents and special characters intact. Make sure columns are arranged logically. This prevents extra cleanup in Excel and saves time when you open the file. Finally, load the CSV into Excel and tidy the data so it's ready to use. You'll inspect columns, run text to columns on merged fields, and normalize phone formats with a custom format or formula. Once clean, you sort and remove duplicates to eliminate repeats, then save as an XLSX and keep a backup. If something goes wrong, make sure the CSV was exported in UTF-8 and the original vCard had full contact fields. This single check fixes most conversion errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.